Everyone who wants to practice in foreign as a physiotherapist needs a license. And for license, you must have to clear exam, and for exam, you must have accurate license exam material. Hi, this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. If you are new to my channel, I will introduce myself. I am a physical therapist and also a Prometric exam mentor. My YouTube family already knows that I share free Prometric exam material with all of you who are preparing for exam. Plus, I also try my best to solve all of your queries. So it's all to help my physio community and my YouTube family. Also have my own personal notes, and they are paid, named as Pocketbook of every physiotherapist. To get that pocketbook, what you have to do is to mail me. My mail address is already shown on screen and also present in description box. Okay, to get that free material, what you have to do is just subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and like any of my video, and then share me a screenshot of it. I will repeat what you have to do for free material. You just have to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and like any of my video, and then share me send me a screenshot of it. Okay, uh, as you can see my mail ID on screen. Okay, what you have to do is mail me with screenshot and subject Prometric exam material. Just you have to send the screenshot, attach the screenshot, and with a subject Prometric exam material or free Prometric exam material. I don't need any essays or paragraphs in that mail. Okay, and for Pocketbook, you can also mail me, and it's a precise book to prepare in short time and in a very enjoyable way. You may see reviews on screenshot that are all of Pocketbook and free Prometric exam material. I already had made a video on how to prepare for Prometric MCQs and how to crack any license exam, Dataflow videos, document attestations, Prometric exam scheduling. In short, every video is posted in my channel, and I had share all the links in description box. So after viewing this video, check out that videos also in description box. Live session video with live MCQs preparation is also posted in my channel. Watch that also. So subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you may not miss any of my video. Like my video if you feel it's informative and enjoyable. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and stay connected for next informative video.